Now we'll move on to discuss the special sense of taste, including the structure of taste buds and taste neural pathways. The gustatory system. The human taste or gustatory system is a system based on chemoreception. This system detects the flavors of foods and drinks, and there are four basic tastes we can detect. Taste is connected to our sense of smell. The four basic tastes are sour, salty, bitter, and sweet. The different tastes are detected in regions on the tongue as shown in the image below. The gustatory or taste receptors. Taste receptors are clustered together in taste buds. These are present on raised surfaces of the tongue called papilla. There are approximately 10,000 taste buds, and our taste buds contain chemoreceptors, which are replaced approximately once every 10 days. The chemoreceptor cells synapse with the afferent axons, and they detect stimulatory molecules in the overlying fluid layer above the taste bud. Here's another clinical challenge exam question. A 75-year-old male is diagnosed with a disorder in which the posterior canal of his inner ear is damaged. Based on this information, which of the following is correct? A. The posterior canal is one of three canals that make up the utricle of the inner ear. B. The part of the inner ear damaged in this patient is involved in detecting angular motion of the head. C. Normally, the posterior canal is much larger on the left side of the head than on the right. D. The semicircular canal damaged in this patient, along with the other two, are directly connected to the oval window. Or E. The semicircular canal damaged in this patient's disorder is normally filled with earwax. Here's the answer to the question. This question tests your knowledge of the vestibular apparatus and the semicircular canals. The correct answer for this question is B. The part of the inner ear damaged in this patient is involved in detecting angular motion of the head. The taste neural pathway. A change in membrane potential in the chemoreceptor cell causes the release of an excitatory neurotransmitter, which in turn activates the afferent nerve fibers. Impulses from the afferent nerve fibers are transmitted to the brain through three cranial nerves: the facial nerve, the glossopharyngeal nerve, and the vagus nerve. Taste ultimately leaves these cranial nerves and enters the solitary nucleus in the brainstem. This information is then projected to the thalamus and the gustatory cortex in the frontal lobe of the brain.